Welcome back to part 2 in our trait series. And what we have to learn next is inheritance and traits together. So this part will say inheritance and traits. So the trait, the trait methods could override inherited inherited methods. Likewise, methods defined in the classes that can override methods by inserting by just a trait keyword. So we say likewise methods defined in the class override methods or inserted by a trait keyword. So assume we have a class file which we'll call it as a parent class, which is say my parent, open curly brackets, close curly brackets. So we want to create a function where we say public, we want to access to any type of classes. So we say public function, and we want to use the my print name, and we want to open curly brackets, close curly brackets, and we want the function to work and print as, and we say echo, let's say single quotes. Let's do something so you guys can understand. Let's say base. We're just gonna print out as to say base child. So we say echo base. So next, when we close this function, if we want to create a child class, right? We say class my child, and then we want to extend to our my parent class, right? So you open curly brackets, close curly brackets. So next we want to override the inherited method. So we use the use print functionality again, so we can override the inherited method. Next, we want to override the trait method by inserting the method. I will show you this example. So overrides a trait by inserting a method. So we say public and we say function, public function, our my print function, and we want to print it as, we want to say echo child. That's it. Next, by closing our class, our my child class, we want to initialize and say variable all plus new my child. Next, we want to say our variable all is to my print. So what will this print? This will print out child, right? Print out child because working with this is printing out child. Whatever our print function is saying to the function, so it's printing out child. So it's whatever we did right over here, guys. Let's move on. I'm gonna tell you guys a guideline of traits. So pay attention on this amazing guidelines that I have for you. So the trait guidelines, basically, if you have a single inheritance, it sometimes forces us, the developer or programmer, to make a choice between code reuse and a clean class hierarchy. So if you want to achieve greater code reuse, the methods can be moved near the root of the class hierarchy. But then those classes start to have methods that they do not need. which it reduces the understandability and maintainability of that typical kind of code. On that other hand, it is enforcing conceptual cleanliness of the code that is in the class hierarchy often leads to code duplication, which it can may cause inconsistencies. So the traits keyword or the traits guideline, it provides a way to avoid this shortcoming with a single inheritance that which enables that code reuse that is independent of the class hierarchy. So I hope that you guys understand this, the trait guidelines. If you guys have any if you guys have any problems of understanding trait series, or uh, if you guys didn't get anything, just let me know down in the comments below. Just let me know if you guys have any problems with traits, and I will kindly help you guys. Thank you for watching. Please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe for more video tutorials, and I will see you guys on to the next video.